Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Parasphere. Yes, they are here, and they've always been sphere.
We've done so many experiments, captured so much video, so much measurement data of unidentified aerial phenomena. We've seen so many this summer with the various experiments that we've done, and so many witnesses and instruments capturing them, that it's undeniable that that's what we have captured.
I do have footage that I can share. I'm going to go ahead and play it in real time.
We had just launched a rocket over Homestead 2, and fortunately, we did have a camera looking in that direction.
Wow.
It's unbelievable. We saw so many this summer. I don't know that I could remember accurately and go back and count how many there's been.
The experiments we conducted this year led to some of the most compelling and confounding UAP incidents ever documented on Skinwalker Ranch. Using rockets and digging to stimulate the activity. Whoa, what was that? UAPs appeared numerous times at Homestead 2.
Hey, look, UAP right there.
Yep.
I see it.
And above the triangle area.
Look in the sky, y'all.
We've seen a lot of unidentified aerial phenomena, some that I would say even qualify as unidentified flying objects. Eric, if you want to show them what it is that we saw.
You'll notice this bright object at the center moving in a peculiar way and exhibiting some peculiar characteristics. This object, whatever it is, appears brighter than Jupiter.
It's clearly moving.
Yeah, and it's moving in a different way than a satellite would be moving. There was no air traffic in the area, and you see no navigation lights, and it actually came toward us, and then it made a dogleg maneuver and then turned to the east.
We all saw with the naked eye that this thing, I mean, for lack of a better term, it looked almost like a flying donut. I mean, it was bright, and then it had a defined dark center to it.
This is a solid structure, was captured from multiple camera viewpoints and had eyewitnesses both on and off the ranch.
It looks like there's structure to it, and large enough and bright enough that you can see it with the naked eye.
Yes.
Easily.
Sure.
This one is the one that I would say is not a UAP, that it's a UFO.